sabihin mo sa akin. Ayan. I show you how to cut the trees, Minalita. How to clean prune. I'm doing pruning. This is apple tree. This tree is apple tree. It needs to clean every year. Once a year needs to clean. So that next time have fruit is good. Sorry for my English. It's not so good. Minalita, please like. I'm from India. I have so many friends of India here. And I have neighbor also India. The name is Gurpreet. It's so difficult to say it.